I just turned the power off and on, and this is what's happening. The gate will open, hits the limit switch, it stops, and then just inches forward, moving about a half inch or an inch at a time. There's no resistance on the gate, really. I mean, it's not any more than usual. You can see with two fingers I can pull it. It's a noisy roller, but it's not hard to pull closed. Then I'll close it, lock this back, and it only closes. It's only trying to close the gate. So I don't know what's wrong with it.